An unfortunate incident has occurred on the wee hours of Republic Day on the southern outskirts of Kolkata when a fire took away many innocent lives even while they were fast asleep. The death toll in the devastating fire that ripped through two adjoining warehouses in the Anandpur area has risen to 25, with over 20 others still missing. Police have recovered 4 more bodies from the debris. According to sources, the bodies were found in an almost skeletal condition. Police fear the number of fatalities could rise further. Authorities imposed prohibitory orders in the area ahead of the proposed visit by the leader of opposition in West Bengal Assembly, Suvendu Adhikari, and other BJP leaders. The massive blaze, which broke out around 3 a.m. on January 26, reduced 2 go-downs, including that of food chain Wow Momo. Many of the workers inside were asleep when the fire started. According to police, they were unable to escape in time, leading to multiple casualties. Now, the incident has also raised serious questions about the operations of Wow Momo. Probes suggest that Wow Momo operated a 12,000 square foot warehouse at the site. It was used to store packaging materials, beverages, and other essential supplies. Investigators have also found that warehouse and godown complex lacked permission from the fire department also. Fire department officials are now examining the premise to determine the exact cause of the blaze. Meanwhile, Wow Momo's manager Raja Chakrabarti and deputy manager Manoranjan have been arrested in the connection with the Anandpur fire as well. Earlier, police arrested Gangadhar Das, the owner of the godown, who had also rented out a part of it to Wow Momo. He has also been sent to 8 days of police custody. The National Human Rights Commission (NHRC) has now taken cognizance over the tragic fire incident. Well, a major tragedy unfolding in Kolkata. Over 25 people have lost their life, and that we are getting right now is that the godown in which the fire has erupted did not have proper fire permission as well from the fire department. The situation is tragic. BJP leaders are now protesting at the site. They are blaming the authorities as of why these godowns were operational even though they did not have proper permission and prior permission for the fire department as well. I'm being joined by my colleague Suman Mahapatra from Kolkata and Sabyasachi from the newsroom as well. Suman Mahapatra is with us from Kolkata. Suman, what is the situation there? 25 people have lost their lives. And now we are getting the information, this is a pure case of negligence from the authorities. The godowns did not have proper safety protocols in place and no permission from the fire department also.
See, there was no proper fire audit, and for that reason only the fire got spreaded through the decorators, and then it just washed out whole the Momo factory. 25 lives are lost, and also 2 more people are missing. The family of that the family had already filed the missing diary. Now you can see here that a massive protest had been organized by BJP, the opposition of Bengal, and the LOP, that I mean the leader opposition, is coming here to protest. The Nazirabad incident created a big flag that many more operators are operating their services without having the proper fire license, and the loss of life, that is massive, and 27 lives have been gone. So many of here are questioning about the fact that what is going on there, why this happened, and you can see a massive protest rally is going to be organized by the LOP himself, and many BJP leaders, they have also came here to support that cause, and they are demanding that the compensation that must be 50 lakhs, because the Momo makers, they have announced that the compensation will be 10 lakh. So BJP and also the family members, they are demanding that 50 lakhs should be the compensation. Now I'm connected by another BJP leader, Shankudev Panda. He is with me. I'm going to talk to Shankudev Panda. आप लोगों का डिमांड क्या है, क्या मांग रहे हैं?
देखिए, कलकत्ता हाईकोर्ट में जाना पड़ा। यहाँ पे 25 आदमी जल के खाक हो गए और ममता बनर्जी जी चुप्पी साधी हुई है। अभी तक रेजिग्नेशन दे देना चाहिए। उनका जो फायर मिनिस्टर है सुजीत बोस, वो तो मेक्सिको लेके बिजी है और यहाँ पे पूरा मैस हो रहा है। पूरा बंगाल में आग फैल रहा है। अभी भी 10-15 आदमी का कोई पता नहीं है और सरकार पूरा ठप बैठी हुई है, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं कर रही है।
फायर सेफ्टी लाइसेंस, प्रॉपर लाइसेंस।
ये लाइसेंस क्या होगा? पैसा तो खा रहे हैं यहाँ से टीएमसी वाले। हर कंपनी से, हर इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन से, हर जो यहाँ पे बिजनेस चला रहे हैं, इन सभी से हर महीने हर दिन तोला उठाते हैं, पैसा लेते हैं।
आपका डिमांड क्या है? आप लोगों का डिमांड क्या है?
अभी जिन लोगों ने ये कार्रवाई किए हैं, ये काम किए हैं, उन लोगों को अरेस्ट करना चाहिए। उन लोगों को छोड़ के रखे हैं और टीएमसी के जो बंदे इनके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है, पैसा गया है जिनके पास, वो सबको भी अरेस्ट करना चाहिए।
3 people were arrested and one is the owner of the Momo factory and another 2 are the manager and supervisor of that Momo factory. But many more are connected with this and there are big fault is there. So BJP being the opposition party in West Bengal and also the family members who lost their relatives' life, they are demanding that the compensation must be enriched to 50 lakhs and also there are more arrests needed, and this is why BJP and the family members are protesting and they are going to head it by LOP and they will reach Narendrapur police station that comes under the Moho factory comes under this station's jurisdiction and they are going to place their demands.
Well, Suman, even though BJP leaders are now demanding resignations of the fire minister of the state, Sujit Bose, as well, the owners of the godown has been arrested as well. But do you think that the arrest of these godown managers is enough? Where is the accountability actually realized? It is high time now that you pin the blame on the authority of who was responsible for this and how did this go down, were operational even without any proper fire safety measures in place. Because when the fire broke out, it is also coming to the initial reports that there was no fire extinguisher, there was no smoke detectors that could have alerted the adjoining godowns where the tragedy, while the fire was spreading.
See, the ground reality is the fire first broke out from the godown, but it spreaded into the Momo factory, and the owner of the Momo factory, those have many outlets in West Bengal and also outside West Bengal. They have not been arrested. So the BJP and the family members who lost their relatives' life, they are demanding the arrest of the owner of the Momo factory. The only godown owner had been arrested with 2 supervisors, but the owner of the Momo factory had not arrested yet. So this is the demand right now, and you can see a massive rally is going to happen within few minutes because they are going to ask the police why they have not arrested so many owners so far. Why only the decorator's owner had been arrested? Why not the Momo factory owner? These are the questions that are arising by the people, by the opposition party, and also the tension being raised.
I'm also, Sabyasachi is also with me. Sabyasachi, this is a pure case of negligence. BJP leaders are now on the streets. They are protesting, they are demanding resignation, they are demanding accountability. And there is no official statement from the government authorities as of now. This is a clear case of negligence. The fire safety protocols were not followed and it has now claimed 25 lives. How much delay is there going to happen until and unless we find the real culprits, the real people who are actually responsible for this negligence?
Well, Nancy, it's absolutely shocking, and see, the incident happened on 26th, and till now we don't know. Even the Kolkata police have not come out with the official statement at what exactly was the cause of the fire. Now, the police is investigating into every possible angle, and the major question that is in front of the police right now is why didn't the workers who were inside the godown, why couldn't they escape from the factory, whether the main door was locked or whether all the exit routes were blocked. So this is the main question which lies in front of the Kolkata police. Now the Kolkata police have arrested 3 people. They have arrested the owner of the warehouse. They have also nabbed the manager and deputy manager of Wow Momo. Now the question which the BJP also is raising is that these are low-level functionaries as far as Wow Momo is concerned, where people who are actually who should be actually held accountable. There has been no action against these people, and that is the reason why the Bharatiya Janata Party have decided that they are going to come on the streets now. They are going to carry out a massive agitation against the state government, and they are demanding the resignation of the Fire Minister Sujit, and also they are demanding strict action against the people who are responsible, because 25 people have lost their life. Many people are still missing. It has been a challenge for the police to locate the charred bodies from the warehouse, and the state government have announced an ex gratia of around 10 lakhs, but the BJP and the family members are demanding that 50 lakhs ex gratia should be given to every single family who have lost their loved ones. But it is absolutely shocking, Nancy, to know even when the fire was spreading from one godown to the other. At that particular time when the workers were trapped inside the godown, some of them in fact had called their family and they said that they are trapped, the fire is spreading and they will not escape. So this needs a thorough investigation. It's been so many days, but the reason why the fire exactly happened is still unknown to the Kolkata police, which is also quite bizarre. So the level of investigation which is being carried out by the Kolkata police also need to be stepped in. What we are learning from the sources within the Kolkata police is that they are going to seek custody of the manager and the deputy manager of Wow Momo, and they have prepared a line of questioning. They will understand from the manager and the deputy manager where were they at the time when the incident happened, what was their role in the activities, and clearly the major point which has been coming into light is that the godown did not have a proper fire license from the fire department, and this is not one of building in East Kolkata. If we talk about, there are several buildings which are really cluttered together, and all of these buildings have been built illegally. So this is another allegation which the BJP also raising, that a lot of money, illegal money also have been given to the local administration so that these kind of factories can run.